Welcome to the SolidCAM University channel. This video's topic is Hole Wizard Process. Hole Wizard Process is a default template that comes with the SolidCAM software that allows you to automatically create drilled operations for certain drill features. These features come from the Hole Wizard feature from SolidWorks. So the way we use the Hole Wizard process is you'll come over to the Operations folder, right-click, and add Hole Wizard Process. So you see here, we have the 4 default types that come from the Hole Wizard from SolidWorks, and we can read the dimensional information off of those types. So what I'll do is I'll start with the Tadpole Type. And by clicking on that, now I just have to click on an example of the tapped hole that I'd like to machine. So in this case, I'll just come over to these tapped holes over here, click on one of them. SolidCAM recognizes the other 3 holes as being similar types, in this case, a 3/4 inch 16 tapped hole. Once I click on the green check mark, it automatically loads the spot, drill, and tap operations in my operations list. It automatically adds those 3 tools to my tool table. And that's all I needed to do. It's essentially just a default template for that type of drilled hole. Now, if I repeat that for the other types, again, I'll go to Add Hole Wizard Process. In this case, we'll do Counterbore, and I'll click on the Counterbore type. Again, it recognizes those 3 holes. Click on the green check mark, and it adds the operations necessary to make those holes. In this case, it includes a profile operation for the counterbore. So I'll just continue doing that for each type of hole. So we'll go Hole Wizard Process. This time I'll go to the countersink hole and click on countersink. Finds those examples, green check mark, and it creates the drill and countersink operation. And then lastly, for the simple hole, I'll click on an example of the simple hole. It finds all 3 holes of that same type. And it adds the spot and drill for that simple hole. So again, very simple use for drilling operations, kind of a time saver when you're doing programming for a part that has already been designed using the Hole Wizard from SolidWorks. Any questions on this or anything else from SolidCAM, you can always call us at 1-866-975-1115, extension 2. You can send us your parts or your questions via the ticket system at solidcamsupport.com, or stay tuned for the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel. Thanks for calling.